Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eres Reacts. I'm happy to be back. Today I'm going to be reacting to Alejandro Aranda, and he's going to be singing White Rabbit, Woodstock. So this is a different type of style that Alejandro Aranda hasn't sung before. This is more of a more rock kind of vibe. I've actually never listened to Woodstock, so I'm excited to see the type of music that it is. And I've never heard White Rabbit before, so I'm excited to see Alejandro's twist on that song. Let's get on and watch the video. Well, I like the effects in the background that the producers put on him. It's really cool. I like this. This is definitely more of a rocker type of vibe, which is something that he hasn't sung before, and I like it. Hey. Makes me want to rock out. He sounds really good for being live. I like his tone and his raspy voice. That was really good. So overall, that was a really, really good performance. Now let's see what the judges say.
Katie, did you slip me a mushroom?
No, God.
You mean like a chanterelle?
What's the, a shiitake?
A shiitake. Yes.
No, that really embodied the spirit of Woodstock right there. I mean, it was, and you know what? I don't want to sound like I'm not complimenting you. It was really, it was like a Pink Floyd type deal or something. And
yeah,
that was something interesting that we hadn't seen from you. We're so used to you being really, in your guitar moments, but you up there just kind of like, you kind of had a little rock star EDM moment with Woodstock.
Yeah.
Did I say all that right?
No!
No, nothing?
Take out the EDM part.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
You know, Alejandro, I'm
yeah,
gonna
no
tell you something.
EDM vibes.
First of all, the jacket.
Yeah, the jacket.
Slam.
Yeah, that's a nice jacket.
Your jacket is on
I would
fire.
like that jacket.
Reminds
I
me
want
of
that
old
jacket.
days. Anyway.
They're going to let him back in, is it
No,
Pomona?
they won't. But listen, let me just tell you something. Play the microphone stand. If you're going to hold on to it, you did it correctly. Pull it back.
Yeah.
Talk to it.
Right.
Walk around it. Hold on to it. But you were doing it right because the
I like
camera's
that
going to
sign.
play to you. You were playing it. Just walk it back some more. Hold on to it and make love to it. You got it.
Hey, line out.
Make love to the microphone.
We're talking mushrooms and love making up
No,
here.
this is a family program.
Yes, sir.
Y'all, okay. Trent, I'm sorry.
Trent.
Tom, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh.
I'm Tom York. I don't know who you are. That was a fantastic performance. Like Lionel said, I saw you kind of like dig in for a hot second. You were totally feeling yourself. Keep feeling yourself.
Yeah,
Right.
Because it really looks good on you. But what I want to say is that was such a unique individual performance, and I think your heroes would be proud. I think that, you know, that was actually one of your, I think your best vocal performances in that you
Right.
pushed yourself. I
Yeah.
heard you pushing yourself, so thank you for playing.
Thank you.
Good job.
So I actually agree with the judges because this was his first time singing a different type of style. Well, he has sung different type of style before, but this is like way out of his comfort zone, I can tell. His voice sounded really good, and I really liked how he was more like pushing himself further in a different type of genre that he had never done before. I like when Alejandro just sings more of his original songs with his guitar, and he just lets it all go, all his emotions flow out through the strings and the notes of his guitar. So that's me personally. I like prefer more of soulful type of music, so that's my take on that. And thanks for watching. Please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.